thing, yeah, okay. Hi, I'm Felix from Shop 3D. We got a question from one of our subscribers on YouTube, specifically the video about 3D glue. Joe was asking, but how long did they have to press those two joints together to get that type of bond? I've had mixed success using the PLA formula. Anyone try this on smaller parts? That's where I'm having trouble. I'm wondering if the parts I'm trying to bond just don't have enough surface area. Joel, great question. When you bond any two parts together with 3D Gloop, you really want to clamp them together with some sort of clamp or some sort of weight, and wait about 24 hours for the bond to fully cure. Right? It's just like any other type of glue. But even small parts, like this one here with small surface area contacts, will actually bond to this part fairly fast, about 30 to 60 seconds. So we're gonna do that right now. And it can get messy, so I probably want something else. Just smear a little bit on there, not too much, not too little. I like to put it on both sides, so here as well. Put a good amount on there. And just press it together for about 30 seconds. We're just waiting now. Okay, I think that's good. So I'm gonna flip it over and you'll see that it already bonded. I can probably even hold it from here, right? But the bond is not fully cured, right? You wanna keep this on there for a good 24 hours, either just like this or put some kind of weight on it to keep it down there. And that's it. To increase your adhesion, if you wanted to do that, you can actually sand the parts, wash them with some soap and water so you get a nice clean surface and contact area, and try again. And that's it, Joe. I hope this helps you. Just make sure that you leave these parts to cure for about 24 hours so the PLA really has time to melt and bond together to make that really strong connection. If you have any other questions, leave them down below, or if it's urgent, give us a call and we'll be happy to help. Until next time, I'm Felix.